MUSILM Institute is a think tank dedicated to promoting peace, stability, prosperity, and leadership in the Muslim world through independent research and policy development. The institute was founded by Sultan Muhammad Ali, its guiding inspiration. The institute is one of the organizations that draw its principal motivation from his spiritual inheritance. Hazrat Sultan Muhammad Ali Sahib represents towering legacy of two great Sufi saints and intellectual revolutionaries, Hazrat Sultan Bahu and Hazrat Sultan Muhammad Asghar Ali Sahib. As its pattern-in-chief, he brings his spiritual value of relentless pursuits of the truth and commitment to the perfection of the human condition to the organization as its guiding principle. As a research-orientated think tank, MUSILM Institute carries out research activities in a wider way of few scenarios under the direction and stewardship of its chairman, SAHIBZADA Sultan Ahmed Ali. The Institute research and policy development teams, based on its fully equipped facilities in Islamabad and London, are divided across thematic desks, each of which is dedicated for research in specific and diverse areas of academic work ranging from Muslim history and cultural heritage to modern socio-economic policy development of Islamic law and jurisprudence to international relations and politics, including specialist desks dedicated to Kashmir, Junagadh, Foreign Affairs, Hazrat Sultan Bahu, and Islamic jurisprudence. The Institute's vast range of activities include multiple research projects, public events including roundtable interactions, conferences, seminars, training workshops, expert lectures, and writing and publications of research and policy papers. One such project of international renown and impact is the Muslim debate, which brings together the four most intellectual authorities in the world together on a digital platform to debate temporary issues of global importance and challenges facing Muslim communities in the world over to truly global audiences who directly participate in the debate through interactive opportunities. Debate also puts strength of the arguments put forward to the scrutiny of the audience's opinions and how far participants are able to influence it. The debate is a prime example of policy generated through research and deliberation, directly molding public opinion. The debates have been intellectually rigorous, have engaged the leading world-class experts and academics in their respective fields from leading international universities, including the Oxbridge Universities, Harvard, Yale, and other centers of research and policy development from around the world. MUSILM Institute also publishes a quarterly journal called Muslim Perspectives, which draws from the wide range of research themes that the Institute is devoted to exploring. In addition to providing access to in-depth and comprehensive research of the highest international standard to policymakers and stockholders engaged with confronting issues faced by the Muslim community around the world. The journal also serves to provide to readily available sources of education and information for the public at large. Keeping in view the importance of people-to-people contact and formal academic cooperation, the Institute has signed memorandums of understandings with national and international universities and research institutes. The delegations of the Institute regularly visit these institutions and also invites the delegations for participations in activities of the Institute. Recognizing the importance of developing the next generation of leaders, MUSILM Institute plays its part through its youth developing programs. The Institute undertakes the training programs and academic research and writing as one of its public speaking and debating to further analytical abilities and research interests in tomorrow's leaders.